handling the body level, it is the force flow lead by mind. So right now, instead of one handle the body, one can handle the force flow. Okay, that is still in the realm of the awareness and body move in synchronizations. Okay, so how to handle this force flow lead by mind? Of course, is align the 7 bolts. Okay, and this is in this level. Okay, now deeper than that level is the awareness and breathing in sync. The body, the awareness and the breathing is in synchronization. That is going to develop qi. Okay, long breathing, long deep breathing, or boosting the breathing, and then start to develop the qi. Okay, the energy in the body. Okay, meaning to store energy here. Okay, and another level down, deep down from this awareness and breathing in sync is the awareness and the qi flow in sync. Meaning at this level, one can lead the qi in the body, the qi flow in the body with mind. So this one is one can lead the body movement and the force flow or the jing with the mind. This one is the breathing and start to develop the qi, and this one the mind be able to lead the qi. They are three different level. Okay, usually we are only at this level where hand issue by mind or feet issue by heart, meaning that the mind control the body. Then one step later, we're going down to the mind control the force flow, and then one step down, control the breathing and the qi, and then one step down, be able to control the flow of the qi or the mind. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, and usually it is only here we play with this one. This one is more deeper. However, in Xiu Lim Tao, Yit Gam Xiu Lim Tao Quinquit of 1848, all these things present. Okay, so this is a brief on how the body gong. Now let's get into the force. Okay, force or jing or force flow stuff here. Okay, let's blow this up and see what is inside there. Okay, so force, you have two, under that you have two parts there. One is the change of the force, another one is the source of the force. Okay, force flow has to come from somewhere. It is not coming from thin air. Okay, so you have to have a source of flow in order to make a force flow, or in order to use a force flow, you have to generate it. So in terms of the source of the force, you have in general you have two ways to get it. One is self-generate, another one is you borrow from the opponent. Okay, so in terms of the self-generate one, of course, again, it's the balls, it's the muscle, it's the body weight, with the gravity. Okay, so this is the usual way of generate the force. Okay, or you can borrow from the opponents. Okay, now only after you know and you be able to generate the source, generate the force, then we go down on the path of the apply or the making use of the force or the control of the force. Okay, and with this the change of the force handling, first we need to develop the force flow path and force flow. Okay, So we know exactly where which path we are taking and what type of force flow are we are issuing. So in other words, if you look at Fajing, okay, when people talk about Fajing, we need to know the source of the flow. Where do we get the source? That's step one. The second is which flow path. The third is what type. Okay, so you want Fajing, you need to know this. Okay, otherwise we are not be able to play with it. Okay. So that is how this works. Okay, and from the force change, the force flow, you have different type of jing. The straight type, the spiral type, full body integrated, or partial localization. So as in my Xu Jing video, we know the full body integrated is using all the 7 balls together. Partial localization is maybe just using the wrist or using the elbow. Okay. Straight jing is the jing which is having the characteristics of straight, up or down, for example. Spiral is spiral down or up. So in other words, that the action and reaction force of this guy, straight guy, is a straight line, is going in the straight line. As for the spiral type, is spiral down and spiral up. Okay, this is the 2 major type. Okay, so if we want to look at force, the content of the force, then we need to know this basic in order to play in this force games. Okay. Now, so that we cover the body of the art, what is needed in order to play the games or in order to support the applications of the arts. Okay. Now let's go to look at the application of the arts. Okay, this is the applications of the arts. Okay. And under the application of the art, the first thing we talk about here is momentum handling. Okay. So then you ask me, why is such important to put the momentum handling in these positions? Well, this is the story. Okay. First of all, when we talk about the body of the art, we have we have the 5 out of the 6 core elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here within this body of the art part. Okay, this is the 6th element, and this is within the applications of the art part. Okay, so why is it so important? Let me share with you the functions of the momentum. Okay, or the how the ancient Chinese look at the momentum. Okay, and what does it mean? Okay, actually momentum means tendency, meaning momentum, so forth. Okay, And you can think about momentum as when people throw you a medicine balls, or you try to throw others a medicine balls, how you handle that medicine balls, okay? How do you receive, or how do you issue, and how you handle it, okay? However, the Chinese go much deeper than that, okay? The whole martial arts, the bottom line of the martial art handling actually is a handling of the momentum. Okay, it's not the or you use tan sao to block this hand or to block that punch. No, it's not. It's handling of the momentum. That is the goal of it. Okay, so let's look at this. If you want to know about momentum, or how the ancient Chinese talk about momentum or tendency, go to Sun Tzu, The Art of War, chapter 5. Okay. Here is some code here, and let me share with you what it is. Okay. You see, here it said, those skilled in warfare seek victory to momentum and do not require too much from individual. Therefore, they are able to select the right man and exploit momentum. One who exploits momentum commands men into battle like rolling logs, and